Summary of various sections of Negotiable Instrument Act. Section 1. Indian Paper Currency Act 1871 not to be affected by the provision of this act. Section 4. Promissory note defined. Section 5. Bill of exchange defined. Section 6. Check defined within brackets also include electronic check and truncated check. Section 7. Drawer, drawee in case of need, acceptor, acceptor for honor, payee defined. Section 8. Holder defined. Section 9. Holder in due course defined. Section 10. Payment in due course, paying bankers protection if payment is made in due course. Section 11. Inland instruments defined, drawn and made payable in India. Section 12. Foreign instruments defined. Section 13. Negotiable instruments defined indirectly. Section 14. Negotiation defined. Section 15. Endorsement and endorser defined. Section 16. Endorsement in bank and in full and endorsee defined. Section 17. Ambiguous instruments. Section 18. Difference in amount in words and figures, amount in words to be paid. Section 20. Incolate stamped instruments. Holder has implied authority to complete the instrument. 21. At sight, on presentment and after sight defined. Section 22. 3 days of grace are allowed on the usance bill of exchange / promissory note, also maturity defined. Section 23 and Section 24. Calculation of maturity date of BOE promissory note after so many months or date. Section 25. When a BOE/PN matures on a holiday, due date on the next preceding working day. Section 26. A minor can draw, endorse and deliver and negotiate a negotiable instrument so as to bind all parties except himself. Section 27, 28, 29. Status of agent, powers and restriction, liabilities of agent and legal representative. Section 30. Liability of the drawer to pay where presented defined. Section 31. Banker's obligation to pay check and compensate drawer for wrongful dishonor. Section 32. Liability of maker of note and acceptor of a bill. Section 33. Several drawees of a bill not to be considered partners. Section 35. Liability of endorser to compensate holder for dishonor. Section 36. Liability of prior parties to holder in due course. Section 37. Liability of maker, drawer within brackets of BOE till accepted and acceptor is that of a principal. Section 38. Prior party, a principal to subsequent parties. Section 40. Discharge of endorser's liability. Section 41. Liability of acceptor in case of forged endorsement. Section 42. Acceptance of bill drawn in fictitious name. Section 43. Negotiable instrument without consideration. Section 44 and 45. Partial absence of consideration, partial failure of money consideration and consideration not consisting of money. Section 45A. Holder's right to obtain a duplicate of lost bill. Drawer can be compelled to do so. Section 46. Delivery and its status in negotiation. Section 47. Negotiation by delivery bearer instrument. Section 48. Negotiability by endorsement order instrument. Section 49. Conversion of blank to full endorsement. Section 50. Effect of endorsement, transfer of property in the instrument. Section 51. Who can negotiate? Sole maker, drawer, payee, endorsee. Section 52. Sans recourse endorsement or conditional endorsement. Section 53. Holder deriving title from holder in due course, section 54. Endorsement in blank, section 55. Conversion of blank endorsement into endorsement in full, section 56. Endorsement for part of the sum due, section 57. Endorsement by a deceased person and a delivery by legal heir does not complete negotiation, section 58. Instrument obtained by unlawful means / consideration, no title passes, section 59. Instrument acquired after dishonor or when overdue, remedy available on accommodation bill or promissory note, section 60. Instrument negotiable till payment or satisfaction, section 61. BOE presentment for acceptance at acceptor's place, section 61. Presentment of promissory note for site, section 63. Drawer to be allowed 48 hours to accept, section 64. Presentment of payment essential, section 65. Presentment for acceptance to be made during the usual business hours, section 66 to 77. Presentment of instruments in various situations, section 78. Payment to be made to holder to get discharge, section 79. Interest rate when specified from date of instrument, section 80. If no interest rate mentioned in the promissory note, interest at 1% per annum to be paid. Section 82-83. Discharge from liabilities by cancellation, release and payment and allowing more time than 48 hours to accept. Section 84. When check is not duly presented and drawer damaged thereby. Section 85(1). Paying banker protected by payment in due course of an order check which is properly endorsed by the payee or his agent. Section 85(2). Protection to paying banker in case of a bearer check. Section 85(a). Protection to paying banker in case of bank's drafts. Section 87. Material alteration renders negotiable instrument renders void. Section 88. Acceptor/endorser bound notwithstanding previous alteration. Section 89. Protection to paying banker for materially altered instrument. Section 91. Dishonor by non-acceptance of BOE. Section 92. Dishonor by non-payment. Section 93. Dishonor notice by whom and to whom. Section 98. When notice of dishonor not necessary. Section 99. Noting must for foreign instrument. Section 100. Protest must for foreign instrument. Section 101. Protest contains notice foreign bill. Section 105 to section 107. Reasonable time for presentment, dishonor and transmission of notice. Section 108 to 112. Acceptance for honor and liability of acceptor for honor. Section 113 to 116. Payment for honor and drawee in case of need. Section 117. Rules for compensation for dishonor. Section 118, 119. Presumptions to the NIs. Section 120 to 122. Estoppel, validity, capacity of payee, signature of payee. Section 123. General crossing. Section 124. Special crossing. Section 125. Who can cross? Holder, banker. Section 126, 127. Payment of check crossed generally or specially. Section 128. Payment in due course of crossed checks. Section 129. Paying banker liable to the true owner for the loss when payment not made in due course. Section 130. Not negotiable crossing. Transferee does not get better title than the transferor. Section 131. Protection to collecting bank for cross checks subject to compliance of condition. Section 131A, protection to collecting bank for the crossed bank drafts. Section 134 to 137, international law. Section 138, drawer's liability for check returned unpaid for insufficient funds. Section 139, unless proved otherwise, it will be presumed that the check has been issued for the discharge of a debt/liability. Section 140, the drawer cannot plead that he did not expect the check to be dishonored. Section 141, offences by companies. Section 142, cognizance of offences. Section 143, power of courts to try cases summarily. Section 144, code of service of summons. Section 145, evidence of affidavit. Section 146, bank slip prima facie evidence of certain facts. Section 147, offences to be compoundable.